Guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen. I'm back and bringing y'all some awesome recipes. But before I start, I want to thank everyone for subscribing, all my new subscribers, all my old followers. I really appreciate it. But I'm back now. We have moved into a house, so I'm not shooting my videos on a portable dishwasher top. But I'd like to invite you to subscribe and hit that bell when the parentheses come on so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is going to be often now. Today we are making red grits. Yes, there is such a thing. Red grits comes from red corn. Here, look at this up close. Okay. I get these at a little market in Roundo, South Carolina. Sorry, get it ready. And if y'all are interested, I'm going to provide his link to his Facebook page so you can get some of these. They're really good. But we're going to have Southern Red Edisto Red Grits. Edisto is an island and a beach here in South Carolina, about 45 minutes from me. And here we go. Alright, for this recipe, you're going to need a cup of red grits. I had a little over a cup, so that you need 3 cups of water. I like to add my half and half to it, so I put about a cup of half and half and then the rest water. And I'm going to, of course, we've got to have my butter. It's real butter. And salt and pepper. Okay, let's go over to the table. To the stove. See you in a minute. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is bring your water and milk to a boil. At this time, I do add my salt and pepper. Here in the South, most people do not add sugar. Because we eat it. Grits is, wow. Grits can even be your main event. Salt and pepper according to taste. I'm also going to go ahead and add my butter. I am using 4 tablespoons, half a stick, but this is going to make quite a good bit of grits. Alright, when this comes to a boil, I'll bring you right back. Okay guys, it's not at a rigorous boil, but it's ready. I'm going to add the red grits, and you need to definitely make sure you're stirring it. Watch the grit, the turn a little red. These are so good. They taste just like regular stone ground grits, except for they're red. There's even blue grits, so I might do a blue grit one day. I could have, on the 4th of July, I could do some red grits, some white grits, and some blue grits. And we have some red and blue celebration. Alright, stir it around, and at this time you want to turn it down on medium-low and cover it. Now you need to look at it occasionally and stir it around, and we'll be back in a few. Alright guys, these have been sitting about 7 minutes. Look at them, they're red. Now I'm going to turn these off while I finish everything, or low and finish everything. If it gets too thick, just add a little bit of half and half to it. So we'll be back with the finished product. Alright guys, as you can see, the grits have gotten a little bit thick, and the rest of the supper isn't quite ready yet. So at this time I'm going to add a little bit of half and half and stir it up. It thins it out, and it looks like it's going to be too much, but the longer it sits, it's going to thicken up. Okay, I just want to show y'all that. Be back with the ending product. Alright guys, everything's done. Now, this is one complete meal, but 3 different videos, but I'll link everything to each other. And let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is the red grits. Yummy. Then I'm going to add a couple pieces of fish. And then some of these hush puppies. Alright guys, I am so excited to eat this. I'm so excited to be back with y'all. Don't forget, like, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share it and help me out. And I hope to see y'all very soon. Supper's ready. Bye y'all.